Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with video number 2 for the hashtag Scavenger Hunt 2022 hosted by Miss Janet Young. So let's get this show on the road. We're going to put that aside. I'm using the phone book listings and also using, hang on a minute, I gotta keep this all in line, y'all. I'm also using wrapping paper, a napkin, a tag, and post-it notes. And I have everything in here, so it's easier for me to grab everything and, you know, do my project. So I'm gonna start off with this, and I want to kind of zigzag rip it, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now we're going to put this in the scavenger hunt book on this page, like so. I'm going to mark here, so I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, and we're going to just glue it in here. And we still have to snip off some of the edges, but you know what? That's all right. So let me get my little mat here. It's kind of nasty, but that's part of being a crafter, right? So I'm going to close this and put it in the little cubby so I can put glue on here. Like so. Close that up. Let's pull this back out and try to somehow get this here. And like so. And then I have a little roller that I like to use, but unfortunately can't find a little roller right now. So we're just going to have to use the hand. Then I'm going to flip it over, pull the cover back. And I see this tuck spot is coming apart. So we're going to put some glue here and stick it back. And I'm going to trim all the excess off. Snip, 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 snip. I'm going to trim off up here. Okay. And that's a good. Whoops, Daisy. Back in the box you go. Now, I thought I had found a bone folder this morning, but apparently, oh, there it is. So we're going to put this in our tools. Put this in our box over here. Now, my next thing, where did I put my little list at? Here we go. So, I'm going to mark off here that we have the phone book page. I made a little list from the bigger. This is the bigger list, but I like to have a smaller list. Oh, no, that's the wrong list. Whoops. My bad. It's actually this list here. Okay. This is the list for it. I like to mark on smaller paper so I don't have too much going on my desk. So next is a napkin. I'm going to put that back there. We're going to pull out our napkin. And we're just going to try to do that. Okay. Put this back up. And easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But I think this is triple. I think this has another layer on it. Yep. Aha. I knew it. I knew it, do it. So I'm going to put this to the side. And you can still see the phone book page through this. So I'm going to glue this all on here. Because I can. I don't want to cover up my page number because I'm going to make myself a table of contents to put on the front of the book so I'll print the list again and put the list in the pocket along with the table of contents page that I'll make. I wish I can find my little ruler. Okay, so we got that in. Our next item, let's mark off the napkin. Now our next item is the tag here. So what I want to do, we're going to put the book aside to dry. I'm going to put napkin on here also. So again, we're just going to do this. And do that. Put this back in here along with that. And we have an area here we can pull the first layer off. Or maybe both layers. Yeah, we got both layers off. So we're going to put this right on here. And then trim off the excess. So let's get our tag decored here. I want to get as close to the edge as I can here. And just lay it right on top like so. And then before I trim this off, I'll put it aside and let it dry. Okay, so now we have our tag for our page. Now, they call for post-it note. So, I'm going to take the post-it note here, and I'm going to do this. Like that. And I'm going to glue these two onto the page right up here. But I want it smaller. So we're going to put the scraps back in the bucket. We're going to grab our small bottle of glue and put our glue on the post-it note like so. Put this back in our toolbox here and stick that on. Now we're going to go for another piece of post-it. Put that in there. Grab our small bottle of glue. Let me clean out the nozzle here because not much glue is coming out. There we go. She's cleaned. And we're going to stick her on. And by the way, I'm using art glitter glue. I'm going to stick her there. I want to leave this space for something else. So we're going to mark off our gift wrap. Not gift wrap. Post-it note. Now they're calling for gift wrap. Of course, having grandkids, I got the Grinch one. So take that, put it down here, and we're gonna mark right there. And put it on. So how's everyone else doing with the scavenger hunt? I hope y'all are enjoying it, as I am. Okay, so we got our gift wrap. Now, I want to make something to put the pocket in. I want to make something to put the pocket, to put the tag in. Now, I can make a tuck spot, or I can make a pocket. I might just make it a tip in and go with some washi tape. Just put those back in there. I see there's a pop-up here, so I'm gonna add the glue, and that's that. Okay, so let me put that back in here, put that over there. We're gonna remove this. Now, I don't want to cover too much of this, but with the pocket, I'm gonna do is a tip-in. So I'm gonna use some washi. Let me see. I have some washi here. We're gonna use this one here to do that. There we go. Put that over here so we can remark where we took that up, where we end the tape. So we're gonna turn this way. Let me see. I first want to put it on the tag, like so. Okay. And then I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna even it up to the page, like so. If I get my head in here, don't mind me. And just do this. Okay. And that's in. So now we have a tag that flips out. Okay, so it's called a tip-in. So I'm going to take my little paper clip here and put it at the end of the tape to mark where the end is. So now we got that done, and this page is done. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a live, or when I do a premiere. And also, please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.